This is the JKU, my overland project for out on the dunes here in North Carolina. So last one that I did were these drawers for storage, and this decking surface, which is for sleeping. It still allows me to use my rear passenger seats. The latest addition is this, a sink, which is driven by these. They're 8-gallon shower bags, so that they can form fit into the gaps in the back of my tire carrier space here. Then I just took and popped out, there's a little bung hole cover right here, and that one lets the tail light come out, and you can see I've plumbed in a hose into that with the water as I joined the two of these bags together, ran it through, and then it loops up and behind, and it comes to the spigot here, which I've meticulously cut a can. This is a water bottle, 40-ounce clean canteen. It was the wide mouth one, but it was a really good fit for the application. And then I cut and formed a template mold around the outside. I actually took this, which was the original piece that Jeep puts on there, and just popped it off. And then I've mounted this with hardware with no modification to the vehicle. There's no cutting, no drilling, nothing has happened to the vehicle itself. These obviously were heavily modified. And this was specifically put back this far so that when I get the fold down, it gets like a camp table and it has a slide out cutting board. This will meet that clearance. So this actually sits parallel to this, and I can close it with clearance for the drawers. And it's a little harder to see because it's really dark in there, but I have to still plumb a drain into the back bottom, which the door already has here, and then a drain into the bottom of the pan, and then I'll be draining water out.